The washing machine hose broke. When washing, it seems to have no power.
It spins very slowly.
Does it spin?
Spins with power. It's during washing. It lacks power.
Let me check the belt. The belt isn't loose. Your traction device is broken. When you add water, it leaks now, right?
Hose broke. I haven't added water.
It just spins.
Traction device broken.
This needs to be replaced.
Needs replaced.
How much does it cost?
Yuan.
Let's replace it. Got in.
What's happening now? It's not powering on. Oh, there's no power. There's water inside. There's nothing else inside. This is not a big deal. The light should be flashing. Should be heating. It's still heating the same way. There's nothing else. Did you check it? Is it just this thing? Mainly water got in and sparked. Is it hot? Hot. It's heated up. How much? Give me 5 yuan. Boil a pot and it's fine. Boil pot. Then it won't power on. This thing is burned out.
It can't be repaired.
It can be repaired. Replacing costs 10 yuan. Replace it. Replace it. Okay.
Look, this wire is a little bit... This wire? It also turns. Put clothes in and it won't spin out the water.
It can't be removed. The brake is engaged. Replace the wire.
Replace the wire. It turns but has no power.
Does it have power when the brake is on? Like your car. If you brake the car, no matter you rev it, it's futile. It can't be pulled up. It's broken. All right, 30, right?
It just doesn't pump water anymore.
Doesn't pump water anymore. Water pump broken.
Water pump is broken.
Yes.
Replace pump.
How much is it?
T.
Replace it for me. Okay. Thinking of getting a new one. It's not worth it. All right. All right.
So far. Thank you.
What's going on?
It doesn't heat water. It doesn't heat up. The thermostat is broken. You have power. Yes, we do.
Water dispenser isn't pumping. See if there's any movement.
Or is it broken? It broke here. Didn't it fall off at all? It's not lit up. Take a look. It's not lighting up, faulty. This part is broken.